Hey there folks, Chris Cunningham from Harcourts Cooper & Co on the beautiful North Shore with your weekly update on the state of the market and what we're seeing on the ground as we transition through this most unusual set of circumstances. Now last weekend we had our first open home since before the lockdown and we saw people turning out in droves to listings all across Auckland. Now there were reports of people queuing up the street and numbers of up to 40 or 50 groups attending the open homes, but obviously only a maximum of 10 people were allowed inside those homes at any one time. Now our own open homes were very solid and we saw numbers that were acceptable pre-lockdown. So things are looking pretty good and remain a lot better than everybody expected. The confidence is slowly starting to build, the numbers of buyers out and about hunting for properties is growing and more activity is being seen every day. We're getting really solid inquiry on all of our listings and very good inquiry on new listings. Now last week at Harcourts Cooper & Co, our team saw 1,291 groups inspect our properties. We presented 67 written offers, appraised 134 properties, and we signed up 47 brand new listings. So the initial hit of activity that we saw in level 3 has continued to build momentum, not dissipate. The premiums do appear to have come off the prices, but they are still holding solid and they're holding stable at very good levels. Volumes are very low, but so is the level of new listings, so stock levels have not really increased at this stage. Our photographers are almost back to 100% for this time of year, which does point to more stock coming, but early indicators from CoreLogic show that whilst there was an initial spike in appraisals being generated on their platforms post-lockdown, this has slowed in the past couple of weeks and leveled off. It still sits roughly 50% below the summer levels. So yes, we will see more stock hit the market, but don't expect a flood of new listings. Realestate.co.nz has reported an increase in international inquiry of 16%. Now that fits with the theories that many expat Kiwis will bring forward their plans and come home. This continued increase in demand will keep the market buoyant, especially as stock levels remain really low. So confidence is improving every day. More and more people are taking the next step to purchase and the volumes are improving, but with stock levels so tight and set to remain that way, we expect to see prices hold and confidence continue to build as we get stuck into the recovery. To sum things up, if you're a vendor looking for a premium price or a buyer looking for a bargain, this is probably not your market. For everybody else that's looking to transact on a fair playing field at fair and reasonable levels, well, now's probably your time. We've got some great new listings this week, so be sure to check them out at chriscunningham.co.nz. Otherwise, that's it from me, folks. We look forward to seeing you out and about this weekend. Stay safe and kia kaha.